What is going on, guys? We're back with a brand new video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to give more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, you guys, so today we have some WingStop, you guys. I am excited because I was craving some WingStop. I was craving some traditional wings. The last time I did WingStop, I think I did boneless, you guys. So today I wanted some traditional wings. We actually got a new flavor. We usually get mild, we usually get Louisiana rub, but today we have hickory smoked barbecue. We have mild. We got Parmesan garlic, tenders, Parmesan garlic tenders. Instead of voodoo fries, Louisiana voodoo fries, we got buffalo fries. So you guys, these look good. They smell good. And also, you guys, on the side, you know we're not done yet. I had to get this bad boy. We got a mango habanero chicken sandwich, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. We got cheese sauce right here, and we're about to dip on this. You guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Mmm. Oh my god, that chicken sandwich is so good. Let's try the buffalo fries. We got buffalo. Pretty sure it's buffalo sauce, and then I add in with some ranch. They're not. Let's see, hold on. Let me get another. You guys, they're not that bad. Oh, you guys, I forgot my straw. Forgot to get one. I honestly forgot to get one. So I'm about to drink it like this. Ooh, that's good. It's zero Coke sugar. You guys, they're not that bad. I mean, the voodoo fries are way better just because it has nacho cheese. It has nacho cheese, so I'm gonna put some of my nacho cheese in this in a bit. Yeah, I think the voodoo fries are a little bit more better. Okay, so right here we got some Parmesan garlic tenders. Yes, I usually don't get barbecue, but honestly, that sounded bomb. Hickory smoked barbecue. So I'm actually kind of excited to try hickory smoked barbecue. Mmm. 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 Okay, we can stop. Mmm. You guys, if you like barbecue, you should try that. Oh, it's really good. How is everybody's day going today so far? Here, let me try some nacho on this. Some cheese, some nacho sauce. Let me see how this tastes now. See if it's better. It's a little bit better now. Similar to voodoo fries, I guess now, because I added cheese. Try the tender with some nacho cheese. Oh, I just dropped ranch. No, guys, I feel like I'm making a mess. Anything for this channel, anything for you guys. Get another ranch. Guys, I'm so excited because EDC is in 3 weeks. I am so pumped up. I am ready to go out there to Vegas to go to one of the biggest festivals in the world. If you don't know what EDC is, it's a big old EDM festival that takes place in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank God I have this roll, you guys, because I forgot to get some napkins from Buffalo Wild Wings or rolls, whatever you want to call it. Whoa. Yeah, you guys, the voodoo fries are way better than these buffalo fries. I don't think I'm ever get these again. I didn't like them. They're all right. I had to make them low-key kind of like voodoo fries. Yeah. These were my thing. I don't think I'll get those again. These barbecue wings, oh my gosh. These are actually good. Mmm. Mmm. I'm just gonna eat this wing and I'm done, you guys. Delicious. Oh my God. Ah, so delicious. You guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.